على عباده الذين اصطفى عما بعد. Honorable guests, respected teachers, and my dear friends, I greet you all with the Islamic greetings of peace and blessings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. First of all, I express my gratitude to Almighty Allah who have bestowed me such a great opportunity. Today, I stand before you to discuss a virtue that is deeply embedded in the fabric of our faith, modesty, or haya in Arabic. Modesty is a cornerstone of Islamic ethics, influencing our thoughts, actions, and interactions. It is a comprehensive concept that encompasses humility, decency, a sense of propriety in all aspects of a believer's life. Haya is derived from the Arabic word hayat, which means life. It signifies a sense of shame and shyness that prevents a person from engaging in immoral or indecent behaviors. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Every religion has its distinct characteristic, and the distinct characteristic of Islam is haya, or modesty. This highlights the importance of modesty as a defining trait of a Muslim's identity." One of the most visible aspects of modesty is in our appearance. Islam encourages both men and women to dress modestly, covering their bodies in a way that doesn't attract any undue attention. The Quran instructs women to draw their waist over their bosoms and not to display their beauty except to their husbands. Similarly, men are advised to lower their gaze and dress modestly. This guidance is not merely about clothing, but about fostering a sense of dignity and respect for oneself and others. Modesty extends beyond physical appearance in our behavior and interaction with others. It involves speaking with respect, avoiding vulgar languages, and maintaining a humble demeanor. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam exemplified modesty in his interactions, speaking everyone with kindness and respect regardless of their social status. He said, "Modesty does not bring anything except good." This teaches us that modesty is a source of goodness and virtue in our lives. In our worship, modesty means performing acts of devotion with sincerity and humility, seeking the pleasure of Allah rather than the praise of others. The concept of ihsan, or the excellence in worship, is closely tied to modesty. It involves being mindful that Allah is always watching, and thus we should strive to worship Him at most sincerity and humility. In short, modesty is a prime attribute of a believer which highlights in each and every aspect of a believer's life. In today's world, where immodesty and indecency are often glorified, maintaining modesty can be challenging. However, it is essential to remember that modesty is a timeless virtue that transcends cultural and societal changes. It is a reflection of our faith and our commitment to living a life that is pleasing to Allah. By upholding modesty, we set an example for others and contribute to a more respectful and dignified society. In conclusion, modesty is a multi-faced virtue that permeates every aspect of a believer's life. It is a reflection of our faith and guiding us to live with decency, humility, and respect for ourselves and others. May the Almighty grant us the ability to bring out modesty into our lives. On that note, I would like to conclude. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.